Alright, so I was at the Goodwill the other day and I found another one of these World Peacekeeper little birds and decided to make a little bird AH-6i, I believe it is, little bird. So I painted it with my airbrush, and then I used my 3D printer to create the gun pods and the front nose. It's got kind of a banded look, unfortunately, from the 3D printing process. That's just how it turns out. The camera is 3D printed, but I thought that the dashboard turned out really well for 3D printing. I painted that up. It's kind of hard to see, but you get the idea, hopefully. Then I've got my little painted guys right here. It's actually starting to rain, so I'm going to move out of the rain. And that's from a 1/48 scale Hind helicopter model. That little sticker is. Most of the stickers are. Got a little fire extinguisher like they do on the BBI helicopter, the good one. So basically just painted it, split it in half. I got this to fit really well. It just snaps in, so that's awesome. And then I painted the tail the way the one is on the actual 6i. It's got a double tail rotor though, and I didn't have a spare for that, unfortunately. Just work with the parts you've got though. And off it goes. Thanks for watching.